Welcome to this tutorial on using arithmetic operators in Java for beginner programmers. In this tutorial, we will be covering the basics of arithmetic operations in Java and how to use arithmetic operators to perform mathematical calculations. First, let's take a look at the basic arithmetic operators available in Java. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. To use these operators, we need to understand how they work with operands. Operands are the values that the operator works on. For example, in the expression 2, 3, the operands are 2 and 3, and the operator is. Let's take a look at some examples of using arithmetic operators in Java. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. It's important to note that division in Java returns an integer result when both operands are integers. To obtain a floating point result, we need to cast at least one of the operands to a double or a float. For example, division with at least one operand cast to a float. In conclusion, arithmetic operators in Java are powerful tools for performing mathematical calculations. With this tutorial, you should now be well-versed in using these operators to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo operations. Thanks for watching and happy coding!